Working on a little project here. I have had some LED spotty slash floods for a while, and I didn't really want to put them on the front. I got plenty of lights on the front. It's a company gave them to me and wanted me to try them out, so I'm finally getting around to that. But what I decided is that I needed some lights in the rear of the vehicle for my camping setup. A few months ago, I left the side lights on too long, and those run off my starting battery. And the next morning at the camp, my starting battery was dead. Thankfully, I was able to jump off, but I don't want to do that again. I'm trying to make it so that I can just work off my rear battery setup. So let me show you what I did. All right, so here again is the new rear setup, and with the drawers, and got my fridge on the left, just one clear storage container for normal stuff that I carry, and obviously when I go camping I'll carry more, but just did a few things today. So here are the lights I was talking about. Here's one of them here, and I've got it mounted to the back of my swing out ladder slash water carrier, and I can point it wherever I want to. And on this side I've got this one, and I could rotate this one. I just have it tightened down pretty good so it'll still rotate, but really I've got this one where it'll pivot up and down. But let me turn them on and show you what I've got going. Here is the on-off switch. Just saving this. I've saved this for several years. That is a great red wine. Such a good wine, and I haven't found it since I got this bottle back in I think it was in 2019. Anyway, so this is the on-off switch. I wanted it to be sort of out of the way so nothing would bump into it, but I could still reach it easily, and you'll see. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. But the whole idea is, you know, I can get light behind me to where I need it, and you see I can open up camp. I've been cooking that. I made a brisket today, so the rum shack's a little messy. But anyway, so that's what I want. Now, they're awfully bright. But, you know, in a situation where I'm trying to light up camp, maybe I rock up and start the campfire out here behind the vehicle. You know, that'll be nice. Some light to see what the heck I'm doing, and then set up. Anyway, overall pretty cool. Pretty happy with that. Let me turn it off and show you one other thing. So the only other thing I did today was I got a pigtail from the ARB shop when I was in Perth at the 4-wheel drive and adventure show. So now I installed my solar panel onto the roof rack yesterday or 2 days ago, something like that. And well, that was the beginning of the week, I guess. And it's been working fine. And now when I want to, if I need extra juice, I can plug in my solar blanket right here and then just drape the cord out of the vehicle. So anyway, that's what's going on there. So still need to get some wire loom. I actually have some in my cart on Amazon. I'm gonna get this tidied up so it looks neater. Red Arc's doing great. Having a lot of fun with the rear setup and leaving the fridge on constantly. I've had it running now for, let's see, this will be the third weekend straight. Several of those days were extremely cold, so the fridge wasn't working that hard, and I drove about every other day. But now that I've got the solar panel on, I'm not concerned even about that. So enjoying it. So it's a lot of fun also to mess with this 12-volt. The only thing I got to remember is before I close this up, I've always got to turn it. That may bite me later, so I might need to do something different. But anyway, fun times in the Overland garage today.